wanted to talk you through the process for an appeal against the determination of the Standards Committee. The Adjudication Panel for Wales is able to review whether the Code of Conduct has been breached and if the sanction imposed by the Standards Committee is appropriate. Here's what's involved. The councillor or member found to have breached the Code of Conduct applies for permission to appeal from the President of the APW. This should include any evidence which might support their application, including the decision of the Standards Committee. If the APW considers there is no reasonable prospect of success, permission won't be granted. A 3-person panel is appointed if permission to appeal is given. The councillor or member and the Ombudsman can submit evidence and suggest witnesses. The panel has the final say on this, including whether a witness needs to be asked to come to the hearing to give evidence. The panel cannot change the sanction imposed. It can only recommend that it is changed in a particular way, which might mean increasing it or reducing it.